Welcome back, guys, to my channel. My name is T. I'm a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer. And today, guys, I wanted to bring you out to my mango tree, one of my pride and joys. Now, I didn't plant that tree, but I sure take care of that tree, and I get a lot of harvest from this tree right here. Look at these mangoes, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. Just abundance and abundance. And guys, they are the biggest and juiciest mangoes that I have ever in my entire life harvested or tasted. They are the most delicious. Guys, I just wanted to begin this day with a positive note, a positive. Look how it's thriving. It's being fed sun and water, and rain and oxygen. It's just a beautiful thing, guys. And even though, guys, sometimes we have to wait to be able to eat this fruit that feeds our souls and wakes up taste buds. Then there's also moments of sometimes you have to go through a hard time to get to a better time. And by that, I mean this. These are all the baby mangoes that fell off the tree and didn't make it. There's a new one there. That wasn't there yesterday. There's a new one over there. Guys, it's okay. We win some and we lose some. But our focus is to always stay focused on what we do have and the things that are achievable within our reach, guys. And I want to thank you for being a part and letting me be a part of your community, guys. And let's just keep moving forward and always being fruitful and harvest all of the hard work that we put forth in this life. Guys, today we're going to be putting in some brake lights, not brake lights, the whole brake light fixture into our Ford Transit 250. And guys, I'm going to take you with me. All right, here we go. Hey guys, here we are in the shop. Guys, I am getting together the stuff that we're going to need to take apart the old housing of the backup lights, the whole housing on VanGo. And I'm replacing them, guys, with two from Amazon, budget friendly. I think I got both of them for like 90 bucks. Not sure. The ones that were on there, guys, were cracked. And the other day when I was doing, or last week when I was doing the shore plug, I looked down at the light and I saw it had a little piece of red tape. So I knew it had been dinged or whatever. But I continued to look and I saw a little bit of condensation on the reverse lights part that's white. And then I kept going and I saw a fish tank with a whole bunch of grime on it. It was just missing the fish. So it had about that much water in it, guys. So if I'm going to replace one, I might as well will replace both of them. And the right one on the passenger side, in the back, is in better condition. I'm going to go ahead and change it out, but I'm going to save it just in case because you never know if we might need that again. So, guys, that's what we're focusing on today. I want to show you how simple it is, and if I can do it, that's right, you can do it too. Very simple. Two screws, and then you use this little handy dandy guy, and you just pry it off, and it sits on two little prongs. Take it out carefully. I have a little table set up that I'm just going to lay it on, and I'm going to unscrew the bulbs, guys. Take it out, put the new one in there, put the bulbs right back in there, guys, and then we just attach it back with the two screws and make sure that you set it in the two holes. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. We make things so much more difficult in our heads, but really in reality, it's really simple. Now, there are things that are going to be difficult that I myself can even do. I'm a little handy, but I don't know electrical. I don't. I know basics, very basics, not to touch it. And, I'm going to need help with that part. So the other stuff I'm figuring out on my own. I'm watching a lot of videos like you guys. I have a lot. Somebody has a lot of likes and a lot of views because of me. And that's good because we want to feed our, speaking of that, there's Mona. So I always play somebody in the background, guys, because that's how we help our community out. We help each other out. So, guys, I'm gonna take you over to the van, and we're gonna see what's going on. See you there. All right, guys. I'm gonna be using the T25 right here. This one right here, because that's what that is right there. So that's what I'm gonna be using, guys. Let me get that out. Put it on here. I think it's a T25. We'll see. I do believe that's it. That's it, guys. One, and that's two, guys. And now I'm going to take this fellow right here, and I'm going to do is see how easy it's going to be. It's already coming down. So let me take you guys 1 second. Let me get you off of here, and we're going to show you how easy that's going to be. So basically, all you do is you jiggle it a little bit. It's attached right here. Stick this in here. That's it. I'm going to sit you down for a second as I just grab it with both hands. I don't want to drop it, guys. So you're going to be upside down for a minute. Just give me a second, please. That's it. Just like that. And just like that, it's off. So, guys, all you're going to do, make sure I got you here. All right, guys. So here are the two nipples that go right here and right there. Okay? And then these are the two screw holes that are here and here. And that's what we're about to do. Okay? Let's see if I can do it with one hand. If I can, I'm going to put you down. But here you go. Just going to hold it up. Here's the little holes there. Okay, you're just going to set them in there. There you go, just like that. Just like that, guys. So we're going to come back around here. Okay? And all I'm going to do is I'm going to put those screw holes right back there. Right in there, guys. And guess what? It's done. It's that simple. Do that real quick, and then I'll just let you see the outcome. But you saw it, how simple that is. Two screws. You jar it with the little tool there. Screwdriver. Just don't do it hard. Just, lightly. Comes off. Lay it. Have something to lay it on. Unscrew your bulbs. Put the new housing down in its place. Screw the bulbs back in there. And guys, the two nipples, you just put it on there, and it automatically goes back to where it is. There's the holes. So I'm going to put those holes back in real quick. There it is, guys. There it is. Beautiful. New housing. Very easy to put in there. So all you need is the drill with the tip, T25 right there. That's the tip that's on there now. I'll take it out. Sorry. It's kind of hard to maneuver everything with one hand. So I'll put it back in there. It's the T25, this little propping tool. And that's it. Just that simple, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. If you haven't already, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.